State Ahead is the NAIC's 3-year strategic plan.
We're coming up on our 150th anniversary as an organization, and we really want to make sure we design an organization that serves our members just as effectively for the next 150 years.
It's a roadmap for the organization to help drive our efforts, our resources, and our attention.
State Ahead is made of 3 themes: safe, solvent, and stable markets, consumer protection and education, and superior member services and resources.
We're nearing the end of year 2 of the 3-year strategic plan, and up to this point, I think we've been very successful on completing a number of our projects.
There are more than 90 State Ahead projects. More than 40% are completed and another 40% are active. In 2019, NAIC's regulatory services worked to improve actuarial data modeling capabilities to help state regulators review rate filings.
More and more companies have been filing models when they come in and want to use big data or use lots of different classifications in their rating of property and casualty insurance. The need for expertise is tremendous right now, and states are struggling to get that expertise.
To help with expertise, the NAIC is implementing a shared database that will allow state departments of insurance to share and review information about their models. The NAIC also brought on additional staff.
We hired a consultant who knows a lot about advanced statistics and how to teach that. She's setting up some technical statistical training through the NAIC.
Financial Regulatory Affairs started Phase 2 of FASTER, the Financial Analysis Tools Redesign. The project's goal was to enhance solvency monitoring tools using strong visualization to improve the efficiency of financial analysis work. FASTER Phase 2 involves using Tableau, a data visualization software, to build new analytical tools.
What we've decided to do is build more than 20 different Tableau dashboards to be able to take advantage of the detailed data that the NAIC receives from companies. And our goal is to improve the quality of the financial analysis that regulators are performing by allowing them to drill down into the details of the data to see where the problems exist.
To support State Ahead's second theme, consumer protection and education, the NAIC's online consumer page got a makeover.
We took all of the consumer content and put it in one place. We redid the layout. It's simplified, user-friendly, mobile-friendly.
The CIS tool on the NAIC's website also got an overhaul. It transformed from the consumer information source to the consumer insurance search.
It's a graph. Instead of all pages and pages of data and numbers, it shows in graphic format exactly where the types of complaints are.
Now, the CIS can be accessed by consumers on their mobile devices. It's easier to navigate, and the CIS links directly to state departments of insurance. State Ahead's third theme, superior member services and resources, involves training programs like the NAIC Zones Training and Insurance Department Targeted Training.
One of the main things that came out of those was just to formalize our training programs and expand our training offerings for regulators.
I think in recent years we've received input and feedback from regulators asking for more live training opportunities. And so that's really what we've tried to provide through the State Ahead initiative.
The NAIC's live trainings included a new financial regulator training and, for the first time, a unique advanced financial regulator training.
We encourage those that attended the training to take the content that was prepared and provided to them back to their local states and conduct their own training.
Under State Ahead, the Market Conduct Annual Statement, or MCAS, was redesigned to create a more stable data collection tool to meet increasing filing demands.
The key deliverables included the cloud technology piece that gave us the flexibility for upscaling and downscaling. Another key piece was to include the Health Market Conduct Annual Statement, which was the largest that we've implemented so far, and then also to include the lender-placed insurance.
Cloud technology played a huge role in the MCAS redesign.
With traditional methods, you would estimate your peak demand and then buy capacity for that. In a lot of cases, you over-provision or you have a lot of unused capacity. With the cloud model, you get resources on demand, or you can use resources on demand. That allows us to really scale up when we have more usage of the systems. We have some self-healing capabilities which really will help improve the availability of our systems, and that is done by using some health checks, and the system automatically removes unhealthy resources and then adds new resources back into the platform.
Cloud technology and computing is one of the biggest areas of focus for 2020, the third year of State Ahead.
We think not only transitioning to the cloud, but all of the projects under State Ahead are going to provide benefits to our members.
We operate in a world that is moving so quickly, and we know if you don't really have a design in mind, an intention in mind to be positioning your organization where you need to be, you're going to be left behind. And we have no intention of being left behind. If anything, we have every intention of being a leader. We're going to take a break here, assess where we are, but then really figure out what State Ahead 2.0 looks like.